Welcome guys to another video. Today's adventure, obviously with my partner Zaid. We are at the Vaal River for the Ebass leg 4-5, somewhere there. But we're at the river. River is fishing tough. Zaid did come pre-fish it, I couldn't make it. And they only managed like 3 or 4 fish on the boat, huh? Yeah. So it was tough, but there were some spots that looked like it could work, so we're going to try those and see if we can at least get fucking bag. I think today, if we have bag, we've got a chance to be in anywhere in top 5 to top 10, maybe even top 5, because so far we've heard a lot of guys blanked, a lot of guys only caught 1 or 2 fish on pre-fish. So wish us luck. Hit that thumbs up and yeah, let's see if we can take a top spot today.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling definitely a bite. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more.
Stop, that was a bite. Could be a small guy, but it was a bite. Direction where you wanted to fly, so you flew through here, you got cleared, and then we...
There's a fish, no?
You got a fish?
Yeah. Get the net.
Area.
The net's a nice one.
Put the net in, but... Dude, the head wasn't set up. Yeah. And yet you catch the fish at the back again. So maybe you should just stay at the back. I must move the camera to the front. Show the camera before we put it in there. That's a decent.
Get your boat, drive it through.
Let me grab that baby.
I told you about that black.
I felt the first.
Told you about that black crawboy.
And when I got the first bite, I thought, can you keep quiet about it? Yes, Zaid.
It's a nice fish.
Here we go, the next black bass. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Just play it nicely.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
Yeah, guys, that was a tough day. End of day, we only managed 3 fish, but the 3 fish got us 6th place, so not too shabby. There was a lot of blanks, a lot of guys with 1 fish or 2 fish, and we got 3 fish, with the biggest being a 1.6
in 200 meters
1.68 or something like that, and then the biggest fish came with 1.8. Must have weighed in right at the end because we were the biggest fish when we waded in. But anyways, it happens. Yeah, it was a tough Vaal trip. What do you say?
Vaal River is not for the faint-hearted.
Yeah, no, it's not. But it was a lot of fun. Thanks to all our sponsors, TVL Training, FX Custom Rods, ENERTEC Batteries, Swag Lifestyle Designs, ET Secret Baits. TIMOLS also helps us a lot. Thanks everybody. I mean, it wasn't for you guys, get us on the water. Yeah, thanks a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Wasn't anything special, but at least we got 3 fish. Have a good one, subscribe, and catch you on the next one. Peace.